This lightweight IV pole is very easy to transport, but strong enough for gravity infusions. Before we begin assembly, let's verify we have everything. Main tube, 2 feet with electrically conductive casters, 3 feet with a regular swivel caster, plastic base for feet attachment, clamp disc, 2-piece IV holder, 1 drip glass holder, 1 drip glass, 1 hex wrench, 1 hex screw, and 1 spacer. To begin, take the tube and hold it with the bottom end up. Rest the top of the pole on the floor. Take the plastic base, turn it upside down, and push the pole through the center hole. Take the disc clamp and hold it with the circular grooves facing down. Then lay it in the plastic base and rotate it until it drops into place. Take the hex screw and thread it through the spacer. Then thread the screw through the clamp disc, but leave it loose enough so that we can insert the feet. Take a finger and lift the clamp up. Starting with a foot that has a locking caster, locate the hole at the end of the foot and make sure it is facing the clamp and the wheel is facing toward you. Hold the foot at an angle. Slide it between the clamp and a notch in the base. This may take a little bit of force and maneuvering. Work the foot until it is completely in the notch, then align the groove in the clamp with the hole in the foot. Now take the second foot with a locking caster and do the same thing as the first, but skip a notch in the base so that the feet are practically at opposite ends. Take the rest of the feet with a regular caster and slide them into the base like the first two. After all of the feet have been inserted, make sure they are all aligned with the grooves in the clamp. Take the hex wrench and tighten the hex screw by turning it clockwise until the feet are firmly secured. Turn the pole over so that the casters are now resting on the floor. Locate the bottom portion of the IV holder, which has an open bottom that the pole can slide into, and attach to the pole. Now take the top portion of the IV holder and align the grooves with the grooves in the bottom portion, then slide them together. Securely holding the pole, firmly press down on the top portion until both portions of the IV holder are flush. Take the glass holder ring and snap it onto the bottom section of the pole. I find that it works best when you grab the pole with your hand and use your thumb to snap the holder into place. Take the drip glass and place it into the holder. You can now begin using the IV pole. To adjust the height, locate the height adjuster on the top section of the pole. By grabbing the pole with your hand, using your thumb to press up on the adjuster, you can freely slide the top section of the pole to the desired height. If you have any questions or issues assembling your IV pole, I encourage you to please contact Healthcare Logistics and we will be happy to help you.